Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make these adorable baby bottle decorations. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks and I'm a full-time balloon artist here in the UK. For this baby bottle decoration, we're only going to need 4 balloons, one 5-inch round, one 160 twisting balloon and 2 350 twisting balloons in colours of your choice. We only need to use the tip ends of the 350s, so just line the 2 350s up and cut them both. Inflate the 350 white, and we want a bubble that's about 5 inches. So I'm going to let a little bit of air out, put a twist in that and tie. Okay, the 350 blush, I only want to inflate the tip end, so I just want to put a very small amount of air in there, and then I want to let a little bit of air out. So I'm looking for a bubble that's about 3 fingers, and then tie a knot. And then tie a knot at the very end here. Just cut away the excess here. Take your 160 and cut a 4 to 5 inch piece from the nozzle end. Fully inflate your 5-inch round. Then let quite a lot of air out. So I'm looking for this balloon to fit comfortably just in the palm of my hand. And then tie a soft knot, by which I mean don't pull the knot tightly. Okay? And at this point, we can just grab hold of that knot and roll it along the neck. Okay, and as you roll it along, the knot will tighten up. Push the air into the neck of the pink balloon, and then take that knot at the end of the blush balloon, place it on top of the nozzle, and with your middle finger, just push the two into the base of the balloon here. And then grab hold of both knot and nozzle, remove your finger, twist the balloon here. Take that little piece of 160 and just wrap that around a few times and then tie a knot. Pull the ends. And once you've secured that knot, tie a second knot. Take your white 350 and tie onto the top of the baby bottle. Cut away the excess. Whoops. There you go. With the pocket pump, inflate the rest of that 160. We're not going to need all of this, so don't worry too much. And tie. Then wrap the 160 between the 5-inch round and the 350 white. Okay, and when that's encircling the baby bottle, just put a twist here. And then take that knot and nozzle, just wrap it around a couple of times. And then we can just snip off the end and tie. And tie a second time. This little piece of 160 here, just hold that to one side, place the ribbon on top, and then take the longer piece of 160 and just wrap it over the top of the ribbon. I'm going to do that one more time. And then I'm going to tie those two ends together to secure the ribbon in place. If you wanted to, you could use a couple of glue dots if you find that easier. Trim off the excess 160. I really hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how to make this fabulous baby shower themed balloon art, I'll leave a link in the description as well as up here. I recommend you watch this video next.